I know that's going to freak some of you out, but that's part of the whole thing. The point of this exercise is to loosen you guys up, to get you a little bit more confident, and to show you that painting is not it's not perfection. Painting is not about making you could have a picture that looks like a photograph, go take a photograph. The whole idea of painting is to actually show the person's character, to show something like this lady. You can see she's poor, she's had a hard life, she's probably not even that old, but she looks like she's done with life almost. And she's probably got a lot of wisdom out of the hardness of what she's seen. So that's what you want to show, and that comes with things that we call happy accidents, where things happen we didn't plan for it. Okay, so let me put my glasses on. I'm going to show you how to mix your paint with the white as well. So the way you're going to put out your paint, we're going to start with Paynes Grey. So basically this mixture of colors, Paynes Grey, ochre, burnt sienna, and you've got your naphtha. I'm purely following what I'm seeing there. There's the shoulder, is almost in line with the mouth. There goes the shoulder. There's some dark stuff there. So the paint you want to have, you don't want it too thick. The consistency of the paint must be like snot, literally. Okay, I know it sounds terrible to offend you. Back the darkest darks again. So now I go back again to my Paynes Grey. But I keep it thinnish. So I put my darkest skin tones. There, I'm doing a wash. There's some shadow there. There's a little bit of the lip here. There's some shadow under the nose. And if you put some in the hair, put some in the hair, it doesn't matter. At this point, it doesn't matter. There's some in the neck. Can you see that it makes it more three-dimensional? Okay, that's what we're going to do now. Everybody clear? Lightly, that's not going to tick, but doesn't matter. Very lightly get rid of the excess paint. Putting the paint. Very lightly. Now look here where she's put the blues in. It's not wrong, can you see? It works. This I'm probably going to need to put. So here. So here she's got quite, now I'm going to need to go for a smaller brush because the nose, oops, it is. So that light there is the same as that.